guys, welcome back to Glorious Twins. Today I'm going to be filming this natural glowy makeup look. So if you guys are interested on how to recreate this makeup look, stay tuned and enjoy. So first things first, before applying my foundation, I use Dream Skin by Dior. When you apply cream on your face, just make it very smooth. You know, don't apply it very roughly. Alright, after finishing with that step, I use my Too Faced primer. This is so convenient for me because it's literally a spray, so it takes 2 seconds. So then I start off by my Dior foundation, and guys, this foundation is super matte. This foundation is so nice because I usually purchase foundations and most of the time they really don't suit my face, but this foundation is so good. And guys, it's really important to find a tone that fits your skin properly. So with concealer, sometimes if I want my look to look very dramatic, I use a wider concealer so you know it looks like, you know, wow, bright. But since this is a natural makeup look, I'm just using a concealer that fits my skin tone. So I put concealer under my eye, I put it on my laugh line, and I like to put it on the side here as well, just to make me look more bright, and on my nose. I also like to put it on my eyelid, literally just a dot. So when I apply eyeshadow to it, my eyeshadow is going to be, you know, it won't fall off, it's just gonna stick in my eyelids. And guys, it's really important when you blend the makeup on your face, do it gently, because when you apply your makeup way too hard on your face, you know, you're gonna look like you aged. Like, let's say you're 40 years old, you're gonna look like you're 60 because you didn't take care of your skin and you were younger applying makeup on. So just do it smooth, you know. So now I'm going to go with my powder, and I'm just using a normal baking powder. So guys, basically I'm not going to bake like intense baking because, like I said, this is just a natural look. But since I'm not gonna apply powder on my face because my foundation is already matte, I'm just gonna go on with like a bit here, a bit on this side. So basically I'm just applying it to where my face tends to crease the most. I creased a lot on my T-zone area basically. Baking is honestly the key to matte finish makeup look. You know, like your makeup is literally going to stay on your face the whole day, and it's not, I promise you, it's not going to get ruined. And while I let that sit on my face for around, depends how long it takes me to contour my face, I'm going to be using my contour kit by Anastasia. So I like to use this shade, it just fits my face the best. And start blending. With my contour, I'm not gonna go crazy with it because, okay, this looks crazy. Top, and then later on with my fluffy brush, I'm going to blend them. So with the same product that I have on my brush, I'm not going to add more contour because this is not a dramatic look. So I'm just gonna use the same product for my forehead. And I also bring it down my neck so it looks the same color. Alright, now I'm going to contour my nose because of course it has to look equally. Guys, honestly, contouring my nose is my favorite part of my makeup routine. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Moving on to blending my baking, the powder under my eyes and so on. I'm going to be using this brush, so I'm just going to tap it. And when you tap, make sure that you don't press too hard, like I said before. At the same time, I'm also going to be blending the contour. If you think that it's, you know, not blended properly, do that after with a fluffier brush. to make your face look more natural. Now moving on to blush. I don't use any crazy type of blush, honestly, guys. I got this from Clinique and it's just a regular pink tone. So I like to start my blush from this area, and guys, blush is one of my favorite makeup products to use because it just makes you look super healthy and just cute. I feel like it finishes the makeup look and it just makes it look super stunning. And now moving on to highlighter, of course. Use that and I put it on the tip of my nose just to give me that natural glow. So it's nothing cray-cray. And I like to add some on the cheekbones. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using my Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. And oh my god, this palette, guys, has been through a lot. For that, I also like to add some highlight into my lid. I don't know, I feel like it just makes me look really awake and it's like super nice. You could either do that or just use a white eyeshadow. Still gonna do the job. See, it just makes you look awake. So then I'm just using my NYX brush. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Burnt Orange mixed with the raw sienna, and this is just gonna give it a bronzy look into my eyelids, so it's nothing crazy.
Tryna put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Really point to just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them.
So this is how the eyeshadow looks like. And then now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows.
Talking money, need a hearing aid. They talking about you, you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain.
So now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Mega Volume Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. And guys, this is my go-to mascara. I've tried so many mascaras, and this is super affordable. It's from the drugstore, guys. It's literally like $10. I definitely recommend this, guys. You see, you don't even need to wear fake lashes when you have this mascara. Look at the difference, like whoa, what is going on? Guys, now going on with the lipstick, I'm just going with a natural pinkish nudish shade. So this is a 240 Caramel Kiss. Last but not least, I'm going to add a dot like this. And I'm gonna add it in the center of my lip. Just to give it that shiny look, you know, it just goes perfectly with a makeup look. Super simple, easy to do, and shimmery, you know, you just have that glowy, natural look going on. Finally, I'm going back with my primer spray by Too Faced, and I'm gonna spray a bit on my face. Oh god. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'd love it if you guys subscribe, you know, to keep updated with all the videos me and my sister, my twin sister, post throughout our YouTube journey.